top of the page over here. We'll read it out, and then we're going to go to an interesting Indian on the Tracer Shati. So he said, "V'rei gam b'zohar." He said the Zohar says the Elef Hashvi who's man tanugi on the shamos. B'zel l'shana v'gidin k'siv v'chavohoya or ha'lavonika or ha'chomo. The two lights will be the same. V'or ha'chama yihya shev'sayim ad the Yehei Shabbos l'Hashem la'lachta nafshin b'tanugi kedusha kol hagu Elef Hashviyah. So this is the time of gathering all the neshamas. They celebrate and have a tremendous, unbelievable time. Ad Khan. This is the Rav over here. V'zel l'shana b'dila v'daki yesh shnei mini neshamos. Echad osem shenechlala ba'adam harishon. That's an interesting idea here. Because first of all, there was those who were incorporated in Adam Harishon. Beis heim osem shelo nechlala ba'adam harishon. But then there's also those that are not part of Adam Harishon. The Shamas, I guess maybe we saw some places in the Shamas Chadashos. I'm not really sure. So there's going to be another set of neshamas here. They're going to be much higher than those that came out of Adam Harishon. The Gamoshi V'Arnav Perik Aleph. Neshamas and Nishmas Adam Harishon Kolala B'Nefesh Nasiya, because that neshama of Adam Harishon, incorporated in with it, it is the lowest possible nefesh, which is the nefesh Siyah, ad Yechida the Chatzilus, all the way from the very bottom of the bottom to the top of the top. Kain Osam and the Fashos shall no nechlala ba'adam harishon, but then again, in other words, there's a big spread of all different kinds of nefashos. So he said, but those nefashos, Shalom nechlala ba'adam harishon, that were not a part of Adam Harishon, hein al derek zeh, they're like this. These are the shamas that only come into the world in that seventh millennium. Kandisika b'zohar shmos daf yud. V'nimsa ki kamosha ba'osin neshamas nechlal ba'adam harishon. So it comes out like this. Those neshamas that are incorporated in Adam Harishon, yesh bechem neran chai. So I don't know, I always pronounce it neran chai. So he says they have all of these lights, nefesh, ruach, and neshama, chai, yechida. Zechel l'mala b'zeh, as we understand, one is higher than the next, one is a greater light. Ki osen neshama shadol nechlala b'adam harishon. Let's talk about those neshamas. Hey mamish al derek zeh, they're also this way. And what happens is that a crown comes to these neshamas. So this is a concept of some kind of pure panemius, I guess, higher panemius than he was saying, like it's going to start from the Asiyah Basiyah all the way up to the very highest parts of Atzilus. He says that's what was. But now you're going to get, I think it means the pure Jews. The mamash al derek zechem of elef v'shevichi yisatru elon neshamas will be crowned. These neshamas nechlala ba'adam harishon that were originally part of the Adam Harishon, ba'osam and neshamas a yoseg avoim. So he's not saying that, he says they're going to join together. So the ones that really come from a more pure place. Kol chedet v'chevet in b'daimela, every portion to what is similar to it. I guess matching. There were matchings there. Khan, Ein Sham. So there's apparently quite a bit to say. There's a little Lamed Vav over here. And he says like that, V'rei b'ferish Ramaz, he says, the Zohar, Shabir, the Zechu Tzadikim Yoshvim V'Yitrosechem V'Roshechem. This is that the Tzadikim are sitting and they have these crowns. Where the crowns come from? They're in the Neshama. He says these are the Neshamas Chadashos. Now, if I'm not mistaken, we've seen the concept of Neshamas Chadashos before. It's explained over here like that. Over there. Now, in the just a little bit of time that we have left, we have how many minutes left? Rabbi, you there? Not there? Talking to myself? Hello? Okay, anyway, I don't know who I'm talking to, but I don't know what happened. Okay, so anyway, that's the end of that. And there's a little Lamed Vav down at the bottom, and let's see if we can get it and read it and Small print. Okay. Whoops. I can't really do it like that. I could get it down lower, but I got to keep it back. Okay. So in this it says, Rei bezera begam bezoar. The Zohar says like this: the Elef Hashvi Kedin then Ihu Yom Echad L'Kutra Barichu Beluchudoi. It's one day of Kutra Barichu by himself. Lizdava B'Koyos to make a yichud as proper. V'lomalaked and the Shmasim Chadatim in order to get together new neshamos. L'Mehaver B'Alma Im Inam D'Ishta'arnu B'Kadmisa to be in the world at the same time with those that have already been there. Okay, that's it for today. I don't know what happened to my chavrusa. I'm really a little bit nervous about what's going on, but I still got some screen, so I'm not sure what's going on. Okay, this is Baruch Fleischman at the Tikkun Elevator Cola.